Hey folks, this is your instructor David from screencasting from the Start Here page of our course. As you can read, this is Law of the Courts and Politics, POLS 0105. This is an asynchronous online course, which means obviously that we won't meet in person. We won't really Zoom much, if at all. And it's going to be you guys kind of doing a lot of work on your own, but hopefully we can interact and build a community so that we can benefit from all learning together. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me. One of the ways is you can look up here under communications. You can, that's my cell phone, so if you want to call my cell phone, you can, but Ask Your Professor is a way to ask questions that the whole class can see. So if they're class related and you think it'd be helpful for the class to hear the answer, you can ask them there. This internal messaging tool will let you send a private message to me if it's about grades or something else. Student Lounge is an area where you can talk to other students about what's going on in the class. And then over here, there's a link to my virtual Zoom office where we can have a Zoom conversation if you need to have a face-to-face conversation. The way the course is going to work is that each week you're going to have a module for each week, and each week the module is going to contain everything you need for that week, including clear instructions. Clear instructions about read this, visit this website, watch this video, do this assignment, engage in this discussion board. The discussion board stuff is actually going to be meaningful. It's going to be graded. You're going to have to do a series of posts on discussion boards each week in order to get the credit for the discussion board, and that's in part to make sure that everybody is engaged and actually checking in, but also it's a way to learn about the class and to learn about the issues that are important to us. I'll be in there as well, hopefully engaging in a lot of meaningful discussion with you guys. If you look at the way the like week one, for example, is set up, there's going to be a welcome, there's going to be an image, a welcome banner, and then a series of instructions. And these instructions should pretty much lay out what is due that week, by what time, and what you need to be focusing on. There's a syllabus in week one, there's the US Constitution in week one, there's a discussion board in week one, things like that. It's going to be each week. Week one is fairly light as far as what you need to do to get organized, but after that it'll pick up. In week two, for example, there may be a quiz, there's some more screencast videos, and stuff like that. Anyway, this is my first time teaching in this fashion. Normally I stand in front of a classroom and lecture, and we have a lot of question and answer and student presentations. This is different, obviously, but we're going to figure it out together, and I look forward to working with you this semester. Welcome to class. Thanks. Bye.